When it comes to driving, nothing beats running through the gears on a great stretch of road. And now, driving a Slingshot is a lot easier than you think. We've introduced the new Slingshot AutoDrive Transmission. It's fast, easy, and it lets you put the power down when and where you want it. No clutch, no lessons, just real touch, real driving. AutoDrive paddle shifting style technology has been road race proven for decades, so the Slingshot's hydraulically actuated manual transmission means high-tech shifting that puts the drive back in your hands. Run it through the gears, get deep in the corners, take it to the red line. If you want a great option to our sporty 5-speed manual transmission, AutoDrive delivers. Its actuation, shift timing, and rev matching is paired with technology that adjusts to your driving style. In a Slingshot, you're in charge of the road and the road ahead, wherever it may take you. Fast, easy, that's the Slingshot effect.